What is up, y'all? It's your girl KAWAII, and today we're gonna be checking out everything that is wrong with mukbangs. For those of you who do not know what mukbangs are basically eating broadcasts. Like basically you're making a video of yourself eating food. So today we're gonna be checking out some of the things that mukbangers do that is just totally cringy. But before we get into it, hit subscribe right now. Come on, hit subscribe right now. You know you want, hit that button right now. Perfect. Now, at least for the fact that you clicked on this video, you gotta at least like it. Hit that like button. Come on, it's just one button, just one button. Perfect. Now, let's get into it.
Are those alive? They are alive. Ew. Ugh. You see, this is what is wrong. Like, don't bring it close to the camera like that. Do not do that. Gross. Just grody stuff. Oh, ew. Ugh. It's chewy. It's even chewy, like. The rest of them are like trying to escape. They can't even go anywhere. It's a play. They can't go anywhere.
Wow.
Okay, it's off to a good start.
Let us feast.
The look on his face while he's dunking it into the cheese. Like, how many times does he need to dunk it in, though?
Doesn't that look nice? We're gonna make it really cheesy.
Seriously, though,
thick.
eat it already.
And delicious. By the way, this is my first time having
I'm already getting tired of this.
cheese on crab legs. I saw a bunch of people do it here on YouTube. Shout out to everyone who did it before me. And I'm gonna do the same. I don't want this to drip, so we're gonna put it inside here. Here we go.
Okay, sorry. Okay, eating pizza. So, ew, what is that? Like, is that mayo? Ranch? What is that? Look, why is he hitting himself on the wall?
Something good.
Nigeria never problems. They don't carry lights. Okay. Okay. Seriously, whoop. He's so.
Oh, damn.
I can see my shadow. Can y'all see my shadow back there? Okay, that's a lot of cheese for a hamburger.
This is dripping everywhere.
SpongeBob would be very disappointed in you. You put in so much cheese. That's not enough. That's too much cheese consistency.
Put the spoon down here.
SpongeBob, where you at? I actually gonna call SpongeBob like a Krabby Patty police or something. A burger police, because this is way too much cheese. SpongeBob and Mr. Krabs be so disappointed. You gotta give Plankton this recipe though. This looks so cheesy. For someone who loves cheese like me, I'm a sucker for cheese. I love cheese. Except cheddar cheese though.
Oh my god, the Alfredo with the crab leg. Uh-oh.
The way she tossed that crab leg into her mouth. Okay, that's gross. Oh, ew, she still ate it. She still ate it? There's makeup on your face. You just ate whatever sauce that is. It looks like ranch. Mayo? Watery mayo?
Whatever
it was, there was makeup on your face and you just...
You know what? Seafood literally makes me feel like I feel movement in my pants. I'm not even kidding. It makes me feel funny down there. I know I don't got no junk down there, but something moving.
Ew. Ew.
Oh my god.
Okay. The moment I see this, I know it's not okay. Okay.
These are all beef kosher dogs. Hebrew National.
Please take that away from my screen right now. Take that away.
Come through. Look at that. Hot Cheeto. And y'all, these buns are whole wheat buns that I cut. First bite.
Y'all ever see mukbangs where they do like one giant bite? That was what I was expecting to see. That's so satisfying. I don't know, but it's really satisfying to me. Ew. Ew. Does she have to? Whatever is coming out of her mouth is going right back into that bowl. Okay, ew. All of y'all just licking cheese out of your face like it's a normal thing. What is that? Okay, it looks like a giant tongue. Why does it look like a giant tongue? Pork tongue. I knew that. I knew it was a tongue. Pork tongue. That's a pig's tongue. Ew. Gross. You know, coming from a Muslim who hate pigs. Basically, pigs are haram, but I also think they're gross. Don't judge me, pork eaters. Whoa, that is some thick sauce. Is that raw meat? She's eating raw meat. Ew. I want to know what country she's from. I want to know where she's from. Is it normal to just eat raw meat? Gross. Cringe. Ugh. She still rubbed it on the meat. Like, she still rubbed that on the meat, on the raw meat. She's, ew. The jump, they're gonna... Okay, I think I've watched this before. Like, that one just went. He was like, bye. Yeet himself off the plate. What is that? I think it's hot or something. Or is it still red? Is that a scallop? That's not a scallop, no. Okay. I've heard of this. It's elephant something. I've seen this on Soyoung, like Soyoung's MUKBANGS. It looks like pea. Is she gonna eat it raw? She really gonna eat that? What? No. She's planning on eating that baby raw. Ew. She just peeled it off. But is it cooked or is it raw? Ew. Whatever she peeled. What is that? Glue stick. It's probably fake, right? People usually just buy these, you know, remove the actual glue from them, and then make candy. You know, they turn the glue stick into like molds, and then they like pour the candy in, I guess. Probably not candy. It looks like jelly. It looks like Jello or something. My sister's here watching this with me, so if you hear anyone murmuring, it's her.
예상대로 달콤한 우유 맛이 나요. 식감은 그냥 양갱 같아요.
The way he's chewing that.
So y'all, I'm about to do the outro and the electricity came back. But anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment down below. Tell me what you think and tell me what you want me to react to next. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads, so you don't miss any of my videos. Today's shout out goes to Shafiq. This is Instagram right here. Please follow him. He's a really nice guy. Thank you so much for being the first person to comment on my channel. You're a really cool person. If you want to get a shout out in my next video, be the first person to comment on this one and you will get a shout out in my next one. I will see you guys next time. Bye.